I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
I have a Samsung wf56h9100ag/A2 washer that displays ae6 code. I replaced control boards and get same code.
Can you guesstimate how old your Samsung is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
4 years Samsung wf56h9100ag/A2.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, this is Mark. I'll be assisting you today. You will see some phone call pop-ups. Those are sent by the site automatically. Ignore them if you do not want a phone call. Again. Ignore the pop-ups. The site sends those, not me. I'm checking the manual to see what other causes this error would have other than the main PCB board. It is a communication error, as you might have discovered already. So it could be another part the board is not communicating with.
Is there a way to ask the diagnostics mode but part is not communicating?
This is what the manual states about that error. The signals between the inverter PBA and main PBA are not sensed because of communication error. Check the connector connections between the inverter PBA and main PBA carefully. Check for incorrect or loose connections, etc. Remove the inverter PBA and check for any faulty soldering. You can put this into a diagnostic mode for sure. It may not go into it though if there is a communication error. One moment and I'll give you the procedure for the diagnostic mode if you don't have it. With a communication error. That means that the main computer board is not communicating properly with the main user interface board, or it could be that the MEMS sensor is having issues also. Except with that issue, the error code is typically an AE error code. So it could be the user interface is having issues. Press these 3 buttons at the same time with the washer in the off state. Soil, signal, power. Then the washer will go into a short test mode and test the parts of the washer, and you will get an error code for what is wrong.
I went into diagnostic mode, turn the control clockwise and comes up with error code ae6 and says no spin.
Okay. Then the issue is definitely a communication error between the computer board and another component, which is typically another computer chip. Did you replace the computer board that is at the bottom of the washer or the one that is behind the control panel at top front?
The one behind the control panel and the display panel on the top front. It acted the same way as the old one.
That was not the correct one to replace. There is one at the bottom of the washer, that is the main PCB. That is the one that you needed to replace. This one here is the one you needed to replace. https://www.easyapplianceparts.com/partinfo.asks. Inventory equals 9605985 and source code equals 1 and search term equals w.f. 56h9100ag and model num equals w.f. 56h9100ag and model ID equals 7190192. If you replace that main PCB board, this issue will resolve itself. Do you have any other questions for me today?
No, I will try that main PC board, thanks.
You are welcome, happy to help out. Doesn't affect what you pay at all, just whether or not the site pays me for my time. You can give your rating by selecting one of the 5 stars located on the top right of the question page. Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.